Hey guys, it's Avery with ExpressGarageDoorParts.com. Today we wanted to take the time to show you a quick walkthrough of our website, the options that we have available, and what to do if you have any questions. Let's take a look.
All right, now that we're on the website here, you can see all of our spring options. The first option, of course, is our pair of garage door springs option. Then moving on, we have our single spring options, our right and left wound. Then we have our pair of springs with winding bars option. Moving down further, you can see our option here to order by door weight. If you know how to weigh your door, we actually have a video here on our site how to weigh your garage door. You can order your springs just by the weight and height of your door. Then over here we actually have a complete overhaul kit for your torsion system. So if you have a different torsion system than we carry, you want to convert it over, or you just want to redo the parts and pieces to your torsion system, you can do that here. Moving down the page, you're going to see all of our how-to videos here that range from measuring your spring to installing the spring. Any how-to questions or anything like that you can find there. Scrolling down a little further, you're going to see our turns chart. So that'll tell you how many turns to put on your spring depending on the height of your door. Moving down, we do offer a service here. You can email or even text us a picture of just your garage door itself from the inside of the garage, and we will tell you what springs go on the door. Simple as that. Yeah, just take a picture from the inside of the entire door. If you want, you can also include a picture of the springs, and we'll email you back probably within an hour or so, just tell you what springs you need. Moving down here, we actually typed out the how-to instructions of how to actually measure your spring by hand. So if you wanted to do that, so of course in our other videos you can see you're going to have the inside diameter, spring wind. Here it shows the inside diameter, wire sizing, and the length of your spring. As you can see here, we do have other how-to videos available, so you can always do that. Moving on, going up the page, you can see over here on the left side we do have all of our reviews. People really enjoy dealing with us, so much so that we couldn't even list them all on the first page. So there is another page on our website here so you can see all of the other reviews. Moving on, we do have a commercial spring section. Any wire size over a 273 wire is included on this page. So you'll start off with your inside diameter. Let's say you had an inside diameter of 2 inches. You're going to select if you want a single spring, a pair of springs, or a pair of springs with winding bars. You will click on that. Moving on, we do have our hardware page. Over here you're going to find your winding bars, your cables, your drums, all the parts and pieces that would include in your torsion system. Like I said, here are the rest of our how-to videos here, so you can scroll down and see all of those. We're always adding new how-to videos, so if you have any questions about your door, even after your springs, refer to this page and there's probably a video that'll help you do that. And here, of course, you're going to see the rest of our reviews. That just kind of goes on and on and on, so we're pretty proud of those. And we do offer a return policy. You can click on that, and of course our contact information. Here's our phone number, email address, and our service hours. The phone number is super important. We offer a free text service included with the ordering or purchasing of your springs. If you have any questions from the measuring of your spring to the installation of your spring or anything after that, you call that number and we have a live trained service tech that actually installs garage doors there to assist you and walk you through anything that you have questions about. Now actually ordering a spring, what you're going to do, let's say you just wanted a pair of springs here. So we're going to click on that. And after you watched our videos and you read how to measure your spring here, you're going to select your wire size. So you can scroll down here. Let's say it was a 225. The overall spring length here, you'd hit the drop down menu. It goes all the way down there. Let's say the length was 26 inches and the inside diameter, let's just select 2 inch. So that is a pair of springs, quantity of 1 pair, which includes a left and a right spring. So we're going to add that to our cart. And then we're going to think if we want anything else to add to the order. Let's say I wanted to add a pair of end bearing plates to the order. I would go back to this hardware page. I would click on the end bearing plate set, and I would add that to the cart as well. Once those are added to the cart, you can hit your view cart and checkout button, and that'll show you what you have listed here in your cart. So do a final recap here. Always look at the top. We're always offering free promotions. Right now we're offering free cables with every spring order. So by looking up here, you say, well, if I have a 7-foot door, I'm going to enter cables 7. So I go to the promo code down here, and I see up there I just need to type in cables 7. So I'll type in cables 7, hit enter, and I'll see a little green check mark. That means they're just gonna throw the cables in the box for me. I get a free set of cables. Upon doing that, all looks good. I'm going to hit checkout. Once you're in the checkout menu here, it's just going to ask for a couple of information from you. Your email address so we can send you a receipt and tracking number, your first and last name, shipping address, and then once you continue, it's just going to ask for your billing information so we can ship it out. Keep in mind, we do have one of the largest inventories in the country when it comes to torsion springs. Going back to the page at the very top, you do see any order placed before 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we will ship it out the same business day, meaning you're going to get your order pretty quick because everything is in stock. So that's super helpful. And as always, do not forget, we have that tech service available. Call that number if you have any questions. Always refer to our how-to videos, and it's all on the website. And as always, we just can't stress this enough. Call that number if you have any questions.
And there you have it, a quick walkthrough of our website. Now remember, one of the benefits that our customers absolutely love is our free full access tech support. From the ordering of your spring all the way down to the installation, we have real service techs available to help you. Now, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us that call or shoot us an email. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a wonderful day.